Alright, so today we are working on a 2022 GTX 300 Limited. We're gonna start with replacing the throttle body because it's getting stuck. I suspect because of a leaking intercooler. So we're gonna replace the throttle body, clear the check engine lights, put the unit in the water, make sure that the intercooler it's leaking. If it is, we'll replace it. The customer also complained that the battery light came on, and when he tried to start the unit, it had no power. So we're gonna make sure that the charging system is working. Brand new throttle body. It's the old one. As you can see, this one is, look how easy this one goes in, and look how, see how, look, that one's staying stuck open. We're going to reset the throttle body and clear the faults. We're gonna connect our, this is a battery tester, but we just need to see where battery voltage is at while we run the unit. So I'm just gonna use this as a reference. So after starting the ski and running it for a while, I can't really duplicate the charging issue. The unit starts and charges normally, and there's no more water coming out of the intercooler, which means that it was just residual water. Maybe it went into the intake by accident or something, a little bit of water that went in there, and it came out, and that's what caused the throttle body to get stuck. But as of right now, I don't see any more water coming out of the intercooler, and the unit is charging.